Sit, 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 sit. Good girl, sit, stay. I hope you recorded all that. Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm your host, Eric Smith, and Michelle is running the camera. Say hi, honey.
Hello.
And we are excited. We have Niagara in our fleet now. So this one came from our sales force. The previous owner traded it in and had started our roof reconstruction, and they stopped for whatever reason, and it ended up with us. So lucky you. We're gonna likely rebuild this baby. Before we do, we want to take a good hard look at all the other systems on the camper, see what we got, what condition they're in, what we have to do, or you know, we just gotta check everything out. Let's take a look at the outside of the camper, and before we go inside, follow me. You wanna come too, Ryan? Here at the back of the camper, we see that the spare tire is off. We'll have to get one back on, and a tire mount kit. Somebody was into the lift system too. I found that the pan cover was off the wiffle tree. I went ahead and put that on before I raised the camper, and the cover is missing for the 12-2 sprocket. So the glide out felt fine. Outside shower needs to be replaced. Here at the front, okay, I can hear, that's all we're going to hear is you breathing. Good girl. At the front of the camper, we don't have a battery. So to do our test today, we'll go ahead and install a battery and a battery harness to test the 12-volt side before we test the 110 side. Here we are inside the camper, and if you want to take a look up, you can see the condition of the roof where the previous owners left it. This is all very fixable. We will have to brace this roof heavily. You can see this is where the obvious issue is, but it's all fixable. We also have the shower door and the screen door as well inside, and the boot ends are down because we don't have anything to support our tent poles to right now. All right, got a 24 DC 12-volt battery harness. First we'll hook up our harness to the battery. Remember, campers and automotive, black is positive. So we'll hook up our positive first and our negative. All right, plug our harness in. I heard a beep, that's a good sound. All right, let's check the 12-volt equipment. Start with the porch light. Awesome. Come on in. Stereo is powered up, that's good. Overhead lights on this side, check, good. Inside here at the fridge, 12-volt, green light, awesome. And green light on the detector on the floor. Wonder if we got anything here. Nothing here, but that doesn't surprise me. Okay, let's check the 110 side. Got my 15 to 30 adapter, extension cord. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, I got my plug tester. 2 yellow lights should be correct wiring. And good. Good. And the GFI, good. And lastly, we want to make sure that the converter is throwing a good charge back to the battery. So we should find about 13.5 volts for our multi-needle on the 20 volts or less scale, and check it. 13.4. So the electrical system checks out okay on this camper. We're going to be testing the LP and the water systems next. Please subscribe to the channel to see those upcoming videos. Give the video a thumbs up, and thank you, Michelle, for filming today. Say bye, baby.
Bye.